How to find watch later playlist on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen, and here as you can see under the library tab you will be able to view your watch later playlist. Now simply tap on it, and now if you have added videos to your watch later playlist, then you will be able to view all those videos in here. Or simply you can tap on the add videos option you see there and then go ahead and search for the video that you want to add to your watch later playlist, and then tap on the save playlist option you see there, and with this it will be added to your watch later. So this was about how you can find watch later playlist on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.